Hello, my name is Cēzars and I'm the founder of Saule. This is a video that is very difficult for me to start because I don't really have an idea how to start it. All the stories, as you may know, have a start, a middle, and an end, and you can start any story in any of these 3 points. So I think I'm going to choose to start this story by the end, and not the immediate end, but afterwards. So let's imagine, just for the sake of making a point and for try to convey this message, let's imagine that your time in this earth has sadly finished. You have passed away a few years already, and there is a gathering of your surviving family, your kids, your spouse, your uh, loved ones, and they have passed already the sadness, the moment of sadness, and start to remembering you about the things you have in your life, you did in your life, and suddenly one of your relatives or your friends smile and remember uh, how at your funeral you had the let's say the balls to ask that they are playing My Way at your funeral, and everyone start to laugh and think, yeah, this is something only him or she could have the balls to do. I don't know if you had heard this song My Way, but try to listen to it. I will to leave the song in the description below. Try to listen and try to understand the lyrics. And the song is about a person who, in the last moment of their life, their last stage of their life, think and reflects about his life, her life, and think that this person did what wanted to do and did it in the way how they wanted to do, in my way, no. And this story is just to try to send this message to you. I don't know your situation, I don't know you, but I know that at some point in your life you're going to think about how people are going to remember you. And I know that at some point in your life, you would like that the surviving family that you may have uh, will have a better life that you had, that you give them or leave them something to make their lives easier or better in the future, in their time. As I imagine you had the same wish to transcend the life that your parents gave to you, that to be in a better situation that your parents were, or that your parents could provide for you. And that's why I'm making this video. I Now I'm trying to get back to the beginning and tell you about Saule. I started Saule a couple of years ago as an edtech startup. Originally, we wanted to make blockchain video games, but as with many things that happen in the evolution of a new company, and especially in a technology company, a new startup, it didn't work out. So at the end, I had this job of 2 years, the work that we created in 2 years and the iterations that it took. and it didn't go to it didn't go further. So I was thinking what to do, move away from it, or try to continue iterate and do something different. And a person I respect and admire very much uh, told me, don't throw it, just don't break your head trying to sell it because it's not selling it. So try to do the next best thing, give it away, give it to people, and try, let's hope that someone is going to use it and is going to be helpful, and it's going to have the impact in another person that you hope it will have from the beginning. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm giving my work of 2 years for free. I'm going to be posting the in YouTube compilation of the what was Saule, entrepreneurship method of education that is hopefully taking you to a better situation in your life in which you can fulfill whatever thing you want to fulfill in a personal level, and try to teach you how to earn an extra income, or a different career, or start something totally new in your life that brings you um, stability, not only financial, but also mentally, and help to your well-being. A lot of the problems that we have in this world are because people, in my opinion, at least, is because people is worried about the future. They don't know how things will be, and they try to go back to an ideal past that, of course, never was ideal, never was perfect, but that they thought that it's safer and better to go back than to move forward. And so I'm giving you this Saule, like as a tool to move forward. I hope it will help you. And I, if you have questions or you would like to comment or know more about it, just get in touch. Write something in the comments, and I will answer as fast as I know, as I can. And also, I will try to keep posted about the things that we are doing, this new stage of the company, what we wanted to do in the future, because at the end, anything that you will create is not going through garbage. This effort that you put in build something is going to take you somewhere. Maybe it's not where you would like to be, but it's somewhere. And if you do your work, you do your homework, this place is going to be a better place than the one you started. So let's try to do this journey together, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.